In a recent episode of Joe Rogan's podcast, Ryan Graves delved into the intriguing topic of mystery drones. Graves, with his extensive background and first-hand experience, provided fascinating insights into these unidentified aerial phenomena. Over the course of 3 to 4 minutes, he shared his observations and concerns, shedding light on what these drones could mean for national security and aviation safety. Ryan Graves is a former Navy FA-18 pilot and an aerospace engineer who has logged thousands of flight hours and has first-hand experience with unidentified aerial phenomena. He is the founder of Americans for Safe Aerospace, an organization dedicated to addressing safety concerns related to UAP encounters. Graves has testified before Congress, sharing his expertise and experiences, making him one of the most credible voices in the UAP discussion today. In his recent appearance on Joe Rogan's podcast, Graves discussed a wave of mystery drone sightings along the U.S. eastern seaboard, particularly in New Jersey. These drones are unlike anything in the known inventory of the U.S. military or any other nation. Here's what makes them extraordinary. First, the drones are described as roughly the size of an SUV, which is significantly larger than typical commercial or military drones. Despite their size, they exhibit remarkable agility and speed, capable of sudden accelerations and directional changes that far exceed conventional drone technology. What's even more astonishing is their battery life. These drones have been observed operating for hours at a time, far surpassing the endurance of most drones on the market today. Conventional battery-powered drones would struggle to maintain flight for even a fraction of that time, particularly when performing energy-intensive maneuvers. Graves also highlighted their advanced signal management capabilities. These drones appear to evade detection by sophisticated radar systems and other tracking technologies, making them essentially invisible to standard surveillance methods. Such capabilities indicate a level of technological sophistication that goes beyond what is publicly known to exist. When considering their observed behaviors, such as flying in highly coordinated formations without any visible means of communication or control, the mystery grows. Graves emphasized that the U.S. government and defense agencies seem equally baffled, as there are no confirmed origins or ownership of these drones. Ryan Graves' insights into these mysterious drones challenge our understanding of current drone technology. Are they part of a classified U.S. program, foreign adversaries testing advanced capabilities, or something else entirely? As Graves said, the lack of transparency only fuels speculation, and further investigation is essential. Subscribe and let us know what you think in the comments.